York has issued a tornado warning for extreme northern Orange County in southeast New York until 6:45 p.m. At 6:08 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 12 miles west of Montgomery, or near Bloomingburg, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Walton and Gardnertown. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing half-dollar-sized hail and destructive straight-line winds over 70 miles per hour. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county: Orange County, New York,